Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Chad, aka the Coach with a Camera. So I've been using my iPad Pro. This is the 12.9-inch version full time to replace my laptop. And one of the cool accessories that I found for it for travel and using on my desk is this BenQ ScreenBar Lite. Not only does this light up the whole area, but it also lights up my keyboard. And as you guys know, the Apple keyboard does not have backlit lighting. So you can use this on your laptops, you can use this on your iPad. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. I'll also leave a link down below where you can get yours. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's check it out. So up on the top, you've got your power button, automatic light sensor. If you want your temperature of the light to be warmer or colder, if you want to save any of those settings, and your ambient light sensor. So the controls are really easy to use. You can see that you can just tap on the screen to warm or cool down the light. You can see that I'm using the auto adjuster right there. That auto dimmer works fantastic in any lighting condition. There's great pivot and swivel action to the light, so if you want to light up your keyboard or your desk, you can do that. Now I'm using a separate USB-C quad-cock adapter that I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to get yours. This allows me to plug in my keyboard, my mouse, an external hard drive, and any extra peripherals that I want. Now with this adapter that I'm using, this is just a USB-A to Type-C USB adapter. You can then plug it into any of your newer iPad Pros. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, click that thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if you're interested in more videos like this. So that's going to do it for today, and I'll see you guys on the next video.